What's going on, everyone? Got a 2013 Camry and we are going to check the cabin filter today. I'm going to go into the glove box on the passenger side here. I'm going to remove this cover, okay, to take it off. Push this button in, pull this cover right off. Now the cabin filter is located in this guy right here. Push this in. Both sides are going to have this little clip right here. Push, and hopefully the door will come off. There we go. And let's see what we got here with this cabin filter. This one. Hey, this one looks pretty darn good. Okay, we don't have to replace this one, but if you need one, check the description box. I'll have a part number there for you, and a link takes you to Amazon for a new cabin filter if you need one. So when you get your new one, just make sure you put it in just like the old one came out. Now this one right here does say up with arrows pointing at it. On this cover here, it says up also. So if your cabin filter says up, make sure you put it in the right way. Just go ahead and snap this guy back on here, like so. And put this back in here. It's gonna be left-sided first. And then we just boom. That's it. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe.